Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix exporting problem in CapCut. Fixing exporting problems in CapCut on mobile involves several troubleshooting steps. Here are detailed steps to help you resolve the issue. First method, make sure your device has enough free storage space. CapCut needs sufficient space to export videos. Delete unnecessary files or move them to an external storage device. Next method, go to your device's settings, navigate to Apps, find and choose the CapCut, tap on Storage, then hit the Clear Cache. Another method, completely close the CapCut app, then restart the app, and try exporting your video again. Another method, power off your device and then turn it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches. Another method, open your device's app store, search for CapCut, and check if an update is available. If so, update the app. Next method, while exporting typically doesn't require an internet connection, ensure you have a stable connection for any cloud-based resources CapCut might need. Another method, reinstall it from your device's app store. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Another method, for large or complex projects, break them into a smaller segment. Export each segment individually, and then combine them in a new project. Another method, go to your device's settings, navigate to Apps, find and choose CapCut, then tap on Storage, then clear the data. Last method, if the issue persists, contact CapCut support through their app or website for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.